In this question, they have given that the result of consolidation test on a soil sample at depth 10 meter below the ground level. So they have given the saturated unit weight of soil sample 16 kilonewton per meter cube, and also they have given the pre-consolidation pressure, that is 90 kilopascal. It's nothing but 90 kilonewton per meter cube, and they have also given the unit weight of water. Now they are asking us to find out the over consolidation ratio. So over consolidation ratio OCR will be equal to maximum effective stress in past or pre-consolidation pressure. Pre-consolidation pressure divided by maximum effective stress in present. So to calculate the maximum effective stress in present, we can calculate sigma naught dash will be equal to sigma dash minus u, which is sigma dash, that is 10 into gamma sat, saturated unit weight, minus 10 into gamma w, because they have given the soil sample of depth 10 meters, of 10 meters. Okay, so saturated unit weight will be nothing but 10 into 16 minus 10 into 10, which gives 60 kilonewton per meter square. Therefore, over consolidation ratio will be equal to 90 by 60, which is nothing but 1.5. Option B is the right answer. In this question, they've asked us to find out the time in days rounded to nearest integer required for 90% of consolidation would be. They asked us to find out the time required for 90% of consolidation. So if you see this diagram, you can clearly see that beneath it is impermeable stratum and at the top it is sand. So it is one-way drainage. So as per Terzaghi, the equation for the time factor is given by solution. TV will be equal to CVT by D square, which is Terzaghi's one-dimensional consolidation theory. Okay. So for 90% consolidation, which is nothing but TV of 90 is equal to CV TV of 90 is V, okay, divided by D square. So TV of 90 they have given us 0.85. They have given TV of 90 and they have also given CV, okay. CV, that is nothing but 3 mm square per minute. We can calculate 3 mm square per minute. Wait. 3 mm square per minute into meter, which is 3 into 10 power minus 6 meter square per minute. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 into TV90 divided by D square is nothing but 3 square. So time required for 90% consolidation will be equal to 0.85 into 9 divided by 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. minus 6 minutes. If you calculate minutes into days, it will come 0.85 into 9 divided by 3 here into 10 to the power 6 because minus 6 will go top divided by 60 minutes 1 hour and 24 hours 1 day. So by solving this we get TV 90 will be equal to 1770.83, which is equal to 1771 days. If you round off, we get 1771 days. If you see this question, we can recall that pore pressure parameter B lies between 0 and 1, and pore pressure parameter of A might be lesser than 0.5. Pore pressure parameter of A might be lesser than minus of 0.5 and it may be higher than 3. So if you see these points, you can say if you come to option A always lies between 0 and 1. Actually B always lies between 0 and 1 is the right answer 1, and A can be lesser than or greater than 1. A can be lesser than or greater than 1, where A greater than 3 and A lesser than 0.5. So A can be lesser than or greater than 1, which is also right answer. So option C is the right answer. This question In this question they have given the void ratio of soil as 0.55 and they have given the effective normal stress as 140 kilopascal and compression index of the soil as 0.25. So in order to reduce the void ratio to 0.4, the increase in magnitude of effective normal stress, they are asking us the change in effective stress sigma naught. So we'll calculate the solution. Delta H is equal to H naught delta E divided by 1 plus E naught, which is further given by H naught Cc log 10 into sigma naught plus delta sigma naught by sigma naught divided by 1 plus E naught. E naught will be equal to initial void ratio. So here itself we can cancel out 1 plus E naught and H naught and H naught. So we got delta E will be equal to Cc log 10 sigma naught plus delta sigma naught divided by sigma naught. So delta E will be nothing but 0.55 minus 0.4, that is equal to Cc is nothing but 0.25 log 10 sigma naught is 140 plus delta sigma naught divided by 140. 0.15 by 0.25 is equal to log 10 of 140 plus delta sigma naught divided by 140. So if you solve this equation, we'll get delta sigma naught will be equal to 417.35 kilopascal. In this question, they have given the compression curve, that is void ratio versus effective stress for certain clay soil is in a straight line in a semi-logarithmic plot, and it passes through the points. They have given E1 sigma V1, E2 sigma V2. Then they are asking to find out the compression index. Solution: compression index Cc will be equal to delta E divided by log of sigma 1 dash divided by sigma naught dash, which is delta E is nothing but 1.2 minus 0.6 divided by log of 800 to 50, which gives 0.6 divided by log of 16, we get 0.4982. So the compression index of the soil Cc will be equal to 0.4982 or 0.5. If you see this question, they have given that the construction of building on a soil clay on a clay soil has been completed in Jan 2010. In 2014, the average consolidation settlement was recorded as 10 mm, and as per design, the ultimate consolidation settlement was estimated as 40 mm. So, considering double drainage to occur at the clay soil site, the expected consolidation settlement in January 2019. So, in 9 years, the expected consolidation settlement will be what is they're asking. So, solution. So, from January 2010 to January 2014, it is nothing but 4 years. So, for 4 years, consolidation, that is delta H is equal to 10 mm. Will give delta small h. Okay. So with this, we can find out the degree of consolidation. So degree of consolidation will be equal to delta H by design settlement into 100, which is nothing but 10 by 40 into 100. It is 25%. Whereas the degree of consolidation it is less than 60%. And we can get, according to Terzaghi's theory, TV is equal to CV T by D square. Also time factor TV is equal to pi by 4 U square, which is pi by 4 U square, that is pi by 4 into 25 by 100 square will be equal to CV divided by D square into 4 years. So in 9 years, that is at 2019, now we can calculate the TV is equal to CVT by D square, which is equal to pi by 4 into U square, 0.25 square divided by 4 into 9 years. If you see this CV will be getting from this equation, from equation number 1. Okay, so which is nothing but TV will be equal to 0.11044. If you see the constant value of TV at 60, that is nothing but 0.283, and this 0.11044 is lesser than 0.283, whereas degree of consolidation is lesser than 60%. So we can take TV equal to 0.11044, which is nothing but pi by 4 into u square. With this, we need to calculate the degree of consolidation. Therefore, u square will be equal to 0.11044 divided by pi into 4. There we get u equal to 0.3749, which is 37.49%. Degree of consolidation at 9 years is 37.49%. Therefore, settlement will be, that is, degree of consolidation will be equal to del H by design settlement into 100. So at 9 years, the degree of consolidation, that is nothing but 37.49 divided by, sorry, 37.49 will be equal to delta H divided by 40 into 100. So settlement delta H will be equal to 37.49 into 40 divided by 100, which gives 14.9 mm, which is equal to 15 mm.